Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Thank you to the Blue Heron Chapter of the Sumi-e Society of America for inviting me to conduct an in-person workshop on October 15 and 16, 2022. In this workshop, I'll cover 3 different subjects. The first one will be the recreation of the cover art of my book, Asian Spirit Modern Fair. We'll use the Blash color method. And then we'll switch gear and also work on a refined contour landscape. And also we'll include the painting of a bird in the parrot family by using bold and colorful strokes. So this is a really action-packed workshop filled with lots of different subjects. If you are interested, please register early as the capacity is limited. Also, be sure to read the supply list, and if you have any questions, do contact me. I hope to see you in the October workshop with the Blue Heron Chapter. Thank you. Bye-bye.